To transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Wealthsimple, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com account and a Wealthsimple account, both of which are set up and verified. It is also essential to have the necessary cryptocurrencies in your Crypto.com account that you wish to transfer. Begin by logging into your Crypto.com account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts section where your various wallets are listed, including the one that holds the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient address. This is where you need to get the address from your Wealthsimple account. Log into your Wealthsimple account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Find the deposit option for the same cryptocurrency you are trying to transfer from Crypto.com and click on it. Wealthsimple will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Return to your Crypto.com account and paste the Wealthsimple deposit address into the recipient address field. Ensure the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. You can choose to transfer the entire balance or a specific amount. Before proceeding, review the transaction details carefully, including the recipient address, the amount, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Crypto.com may require you to complete a security verification, such as a 2FA code sent to your phone or email. Once the transaction is confirmed, the transfer process will begin. The time it takes for the cryptocurrency to appear in your Wealthsimple account can vary depending on the blockchain network congestion and the type of cryptocurrency being transferred. Typically, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. It is crucial to keep in mind that transferring cryptocurrencies between platforms may incur fees, both from the sending platform and the receiving platform, as well as network fees. Always check the current fee structures for both Crypto.com and Wealthsimple before initiating a transfer. After the transfer is complete, log into your Wealthsimple account to confirm that the cryptocurrency has been successfully deposited. Your Wealthsimple account will update to reflect the new balance. It is a good practice to double-check the transaction on both the Crypto.com and Wealthsimple platforms to ensure everything was executed correctly. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and efficiently transfer your cryptocurrencies from Crypto.com to Wealthsimple. Always remember to prioritize the security of your accounts and the accuracy of the transactions to protect your assets.